have you, and thank you for joining me once again. My name is Heidi Francis, and today in this video you're going to learn how to make an essential oil for your hair using the hibiscus flower. In case you don't know, the hibiscus flower is actually one of the essential oils that you should consider having if you really want to up your natural hair game. Okay, so because it actually contains a lot of helpful benefits if you apply the oil made from the hibiscus flower to your hair, because applying it directly to your scalp will actually enhance blood circulation to your scalp, in turn will promote hair growth and also give you a shinier hair at the same time. If you really want to know what and how you could actually make this essential oil for your hair, okay, then do keep watching. But before we go, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to click the subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it. That is the only way you'll be notified anytime a new content like this drop in this channel. And if you have further questions, what are you even waiting for? Please kindly drop them in the comment section down below. And if you have a private question to share with me, the one you think that you can't drop in my comment section, please kindly do that on my Instagram and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. But the question has to be related to natural hair care. Okay, so without taking so much of your time, let me show you how you can make this hibiscus hair oil for the hair. Okay, make the hibiscus oil. Of course, you actually need the hibiscus powder. So this is my hibiscus powder, and you will need a jar like this. And I also have some oils here which I will be adding. I have here the coconut oil and I have here the mustard oil. The mustard oil is actually very good in promoting hair growth because it contains a good amount of protein which the hair is actually made of, and it has a good omega-3 fatty acids. So if you don't have this for your hair, please go ahead and grab this ASAP. I just discovered this recently and I've added it to one of the oils that I'm using for my hair. So I'm gonna put like, you don't really need much, so just 2 teaspoons of the hibiscus, my coconut oil, I don't know, can you see this? 31 ml of the coconut oil. Then I'm gonna turn it. Then I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay. Then after doing that, you're just going to make sure that you mix this thing thoroughly. This is how the color is after mixing it. So after mixing this, I'm just going to leave this for 24 hours for the hibiscus powder and the oil to infuse very well. Then after doing that, I will go ahead and show you how to extract the oil out of it. Okay, so it's now like 24 hours and I'm ready to take the oil off it. So I'm gonna be extracting it. So after taking it off, this is how the oil looks like. It into this little bottle. Thereafter I'll now apply it on my hair. Okay, so this is our oil and it is now ready for use. You could actually use this as your hot oil treatment, or you can use it as your regular hair oil. Anyhow you actually want to use it. This is actually very beneficial to the hair. So I'm gonna keep this, and when next I'm applying oil to my hair, I'm going to use this for my hair. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like it, and if you haven't subscribed, if you want to see more videos like this, please do well to subscribe and click the bell that's just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, please do not forget to drop them in the comments down below. And if you have private hair questions that you feel you want to share with me, please kindly send me a DM on Instagram. Okay, until another time when I will come your way, my name is Heidi Francis. Bye.